In this presentation, we will discuss the law school transcript. So first, let's talk about the transcript in a practical way, actually submitting your transcript as part of your law school application. In order to do that, you register for an lsac.org account. You then use that account to register for the Credential Assembly Service, or CAS, and then you read the directions. LSAC will answer all of your questions about how you upload a transcript, how that transcript then gets sent out to the law schools to which you're applying. One point I'll make here, you need a transcript from every college you attended except to study abroad, assuming you studied abroad for a year or less. So if you transferred to Georgetown, you need a transcript from that college, the college from which you transferred. If you've taken community college courses over a summer or maybe in high school, you need a transcript from that community college. Finally, submit your transcripts early. Weird things happen, transcripts get lost, they get overlooked. Don't wait until the last minute. Another element of your transcript is the courses you actually take. So people often ask, what courses do I need to take in order to get into law school? What courses do law schools want to see? You can take whatever you want. Law schools want to see that you did well in a class. They don't care what that class was. So successful law school applicants come from every academic major, every professional background. The key is that you study what interests you, because if you're really engaged, you'll excel, and law schools want excellence. The American Bar Association, when confronted with this question, gave some core skills that students should be developing in college: problem solving, critical reading, writing and editing, research time management, as well as several others. I think what's notable about these skills is you develop them in every major. I don't think there's a single major where you wouldn't be developing problem solving skills or time management. Traditionally, law school students have come from, a couple of majors: government, philosophy, econ. Increasingly, STEM is in high demand within the legal field as a whole. So I think increasingly, law schools really are drawing on a large, a breadth of majors. Legal courses are great insofar as they offer exposure to the law, but they absolutely won't help you get into law school. A law school is not more likely to admit you just because they see a legal course on your resume. Another element of the transcript question is GPA. People often ask what GPA they need in order to get into a law school. Every law school will list on its website its average GPA. In fact, it lists the 25th percentile, 50th percentile, and 75th percentile GPA of an incoming class. So that will give you a better sense of what a good GPA is for any particular law school. But generally speaking, you need to get good grades. If your grades are below average, the question is then, how do you compensate? Maybe you compensate with a great LSAT score. Maybe you demonstrate your competence in a full-time job. Maybe you write an outstanding personal statement. Also, if you have a low GPA and you're a junior or a senior and you want to apply to law school, this may prompt you to rethink your timeline. So if you're late in your junior year, you have a relatively low GPA for the law school that you want to attend, maybe you wait a couple of years to apply so that, one, you have your entire senior year to boost that GPA, and two, you have a couple of years to show your competence while you're working full time. That is the law school transcript.